Hello everyone, welcome back to another hairstyling video. Divide your hair in the middle section and divide that into 3 parts, and do the same at the back side and combine both the 2 strings into one with a rubber band. Have 2 pigtails and straighten it out with a bun maker and roll it all the way to the top and bend it down, forming a circle and cover it. Then have 2 more ponytails from it. Attach some hair clips. Make a ponytail on the left side, and on the right side divide your hair into 2 sections, one above your ear and one on the line we showed before, and start braiding it all over from top to bottom in 3 sections each. The braid should be in a very thin manner, and roll the braid on the left side and have a hairband. On one side of your hair, divide it into 2 sections. On the back side, make a ponytail, and on the middle side, make the 3 rubber band ties. Roll the ponytail with the bun maker and close it in the closed shape. Then have a hairband. Repeat that on the other side. Grab your entire hair and have a cute rubber band and tie it all over, making a lovely ponytail. And in the front and back section, make a thin braid and divide the ponytail into 2 by securing a rubber band in the middle and start braiding it a little bit. Then have another rubber band of the braid and start braiding it one more time. Repeat the same up to the tip and have a rubber band at the end. Insert a very long bun maker into your ponytail and twist your hair on it. Then have a swirl clockwise direction and twist it again. Then hide the ends by twisting the remaining hair underneath the buns and make the pretty end come behind. Divide your hair into 2 sections on one side and make a ponytail on the back, and in the middle make 2 more ponytails, and on the right one make a braid and have a knot. Then secure that with a rubber band and a ribbon. Make the rubber band ties in the front section, and in the back section of the hair make a ponytail and 2 ponytails out of it and braid it and combine both. Then have lovely hair clips on the rubber band. Make 2 pigtails with rubber bands on the sides and have the back section of the hair 1 more ponytail and bring it to the top using a hair loop and make 2 more ponytails out of it and secure it with the rubber band. Thank you guys for watching this video.